Hello Primary 5 students, how are you? Welcome in your science class with me, Dr. Shaimaa Hamdy Kassem, and your channel, the Big Sister channel. As now, lessons 1 and 2 from Concept 2, Unit 2. So here we have lesson 1. We will start now quickly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel to get all the videos, okay? Here we have this concept 2 from Unit 2. It has the title, Describing and Measuring Matter. As we studied in the first concept, matter and states of matter, here in this concept we will describe the matter and measure the matter. Okay? So now we will describe substances. As what do you see here? Can you describe this substance or this material, this matter? Yes, this is a solid matter and it has the color white. And as you see here, it consists of small crystals. Okay. So this is a description and I think this is sugar. Yes? Okay. What we made now, this is description for the matter. Also, we have another matter here. This is looks hard and solid. Yes, black color. So this is a description. If we have liquids like this, we have here different colors of liquids and they look slightly transparent as you can see through them. Okay, so what we do now, this is description. Here we have another liquid, okay, and this is not transparent at all, okay, because it is opaque. We can't see through this liquid, okay. So what we do now, this is description. So we can describe matter based on its color, its shape, its texture, or size, with the meaning of texture as this is rough or smooth. Okay, we can measure also these properties by using balance or scale if we want to know the mass, okay, of the substance, or if the substance is solid, okay, we can measure the length of these substance by using ruler or measuring tape. And we can describe the matter as we did by the state of matter, as we say that the first matter it was solid and it has the color white, second is black and it is hard, so this is a texture and color, a state, okay, and so on. So we can describe the matter based on its state and color, shape, texture. We have here different matter, as we have here ice cubes, okay, it is solid and it has different texture from the wood, piece of wood, or the bricks, or the stones, or the gold, okay. So the gold looks shiny and others are rough. Also here we have water, and water is transparent liquid, okay. So here we have different matter that we can describe them by the shape, the color, the texture, the hardness, all of these, okay. Here if we compare between these liquids, we can compare between them according their color, their temperature, maybe as the oil can be boiled at this temperature different from the water, okay. So temperature, shape, color, texture, all of these are properties that we can describe the matter by them. Also, this is for the gases also. We can describe the gases. as this is a colorless gas or odor of these gases. So those are properties that we can describe the matter. Okay, here we go to activity 2 in this lesson. A roof for every type of climate. And here we will see different types of climate, and we will see the suitable roof for the houses in this climate, okay? And we will do it as a game, okay? So let's play. Are you ready? So let's start our game. Here we have two pictures, A and B, and I will ask you which roof is suitable for desert home that is located in desert. So which one, in your opinion, is suitable for a desert home? Yes. If you choose number A, so this is right. And why? Now I will tell you why. Here, this roof is made by strong stones. So here the properties of this matter that it is strong. Okay, and why? To protect the home from dust and dirt. You know that the desert is a place that covered with sand, okay, and there is winds all the time and sandstorms, okay. So here the suitable matter that we can use for the roof, strong stones, okay, and the roof is flat, so flat roof and using strong stones are suitable for the homes that found in the desert. And why? Because this is very important, because it protects the home from dust and dirt. Okay, let's continue our game. Here we have a home in a cold weather place. So which one, A or B, is suitable for cold weather home? Yeah, you did it. Yes, picture number A is suitable for cold weather home. So well done. Now we will see why. Here, the roof is made up from ceramic tiles or bricks, and you know, tiles that found in our kitchens and bathrooms, okay, walls. So they may be made from ceramic tiles or bricks, and as you see, it is inclined, as you see here. It's not flat, it is not in a straight line, it's inclined or slanted. So why the roof is slanted or inclined and made from ceramic tiles or bricks? This is simply to protect homes from rain. So the rain will slope on these slanted roofs, okay, and don't collect it on the roof. Imagine if the roof is flat, so the rain will collect it on this roof, okay, and may damage the home. So here the roof is slanted or inclined to protect home from rain. Okay, let us continue our game. Yes, here we have two pictures, and our home now is in tropical rainforest. So you know that the rainforest all the time has rain. It is a rainy forest, okay? So which one will be suitable for the roof of the home that is in the tropical rainforest region? Yes, you said picture B, and you are right. So here, tropical rainforest home has also slanted or inclined roof, but here it is made up of leaves and sticks. Okay, made up of leaves and sticks. So it is slanted also to protect the home from the rain, because in the rainforest we know that rainforest has heavy rain. Okay, but it made up of leaves and sticks. This is why, to protect the home from animals getting inside it. Okay, so here, to make it hard for the animals to get inside it. Okay, because it has a very huge amount of sticks and leaves, so animals or insects will find it hard to get inside the home. Okay, so now we saw different materials have different properties that help us to choose the suitable material for our homes according to the climate that the home is located in. Okay, now in this very easy activity 3, we will see how to describe and measure matter. We have different measurements that we can use for the matter. As we know, everything around us is matter, so we will learn to describe it and measure it. Okay, so we can describe matter by its state. So we can say this matter is liquid or solid or gas. Also, we can describe the matter by the size, as we can say this is very big or this is tiny. And we have examples, like if we talk about solar system or earth, so this is a very big matter. And tiny, like bacteria, like germs, so we can describe matter by the size. Also by the color, we can say this is a colored or colorless, okay, matter. Also, as the texture, we can describe the texture as this is a rough matter or a smooth matter, like mirror, like glass. Okay, this is a smooth matter. Or for gas state, we can describe it by its odor, as we can say this is smelly or this is pleasant. Okay, has a good smell or bad smell. Okay, those was for description. And for measurement, we can measure matter by using some tools. Okay, as we have measuring cup, this is a tool that measure the property which is volume. So volume is a property that is measured by using the tool which is measuring cup. Also, we have tape measure or measuring tape. So this is a tool that we use it to measure the property length. Okay, also ruler, this is a tool for the property length. So we can measure the property which is length of the matter by using ruler or tape measure. Also, we have a scale or balance, and this tool is for the property which is mass. We can measure the mass of the matter by using the scale or balance. Also, we have thermometer, and this is for measuring the temperature. Temperature is one of the properties, okay, that we can use the tool thermometer to measure it. Okay, if we have a material or matter, we can use thermometer and measuring cup to measure two properties of this material, as to measure the volume by the measuring cup and by putting the thermometer, so we can measure the temperature of this matter. Okay, so we can measure more than one property for the matter at once. Okay, and this is to determine, to know this material or this matter. We can use the descriptions and measurements to identify this matter, to know this matter. Okay, this was simply lesson 1. Now we will start lesson 2. I want from you to don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. Okay. Okay, here we have activity 4 in this lesson. It's a very easy lesson, as it has a title, The Case of the Kitchen Mystery. So here we have mystery. Okay, you know mystery? Something that you don't know and you discover it. Okay? So here we have a variety of substances that looks like, and by using the description of the properties we can identify each substance. Okay, so let's start. Here we have tools like sugar, salt, flour, and we have mixture. We don't know what is this mixture. It is a mixture from two substances, from the three substances that we have. Okay, so we will examine each substance and see the properties and describe the properties. And from this, we can know the mixture, okay? Here we have the three substances. They look like. Why? Because all of them have the color white. Okay, so we can check or examine the 4 plates, the 3 substances that we know, and the mixture, okay? And this is by using our senses. As by sight, we can determine the color. Also, we can know by touch sense the texture of each substance. Is it fine? Is it crystal? Is it rough, hard, smooth? All of these are the texture of the substance. Okay, and we can smell these substances because those are safe, because those substances from our kitchen, okay? But not any substance can we smell or taste it because we don't know what is this substance. Maybe it is poison, okay? So here, by smelling, we can know some of these properties of the substances. So we use the 5 senses to examine those substances, okay? Also by lens. So we can use the lens to see the crystals and the particles of the substances. So from here, we examine the sugar and salt, and we found that both of them are made up of crystals, okay? As the large crystals is in sugar and the small crystals in salt. So sugar and salt are made of crystals, but the difference that the sugar has large crystals and the salt has small crystals. But when we examine the flour, we saw that it consists of very fine particles. It isn't about crystals. It consists of very fine particles. Okay? See here. So here, from these observations, we can know or identify the mixture, because according to our observations, we find that the unknown is mixture of sugar and flour because it consists of large crystals, and this is a property for the sugar, and very fine particles, and this is a property for the flour. So now we can say that the mixture consists of flour and sugar. We conclude that after we examine the substances and describe their properties, okay? So here we can say that these properties that we use our 5 senses to know the substance is called physical properties. Physical properties. So what is the meaning of physical properties? This is very important. Any property we can observe by using out our senses without changing the matter, okay? So this is called physical properties. Examples for physical properties as shape, as the shape of crystals here, the shape of the particles, the color, the texture, the odor, Okay, all of these are physical properties. Okay, so physical properties, we can observe these properties by using our senses without any change in the matter. With this information, we finished our lessons. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my channel. See you next videos, inshallah, and goodbye.